How to tie a tie. In today's video we'll talk about how to tie a tie. Let's attach them. We can glue them maybe together. Today I want to talk about how the hell are we able to tie a tie. I'm using two camera angles. One is above of me, one is in front of me, so you have the self perspective, but you also have the mirror perspective. I hope this helps you, and will show you how it works step by step and make you feel comfortable tying a tie as well. You will most likely impress your mother-in-law. I hope this video helped you to understand how to tie a tie. Just leave a comment and let me know what's the purpose of your tying a tie. Thank you. Cheers. Whatever you want to do.